guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing good. To the new ones here, I'm Swati and my channel is called Swati Lovely Life. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please make sure you're subscribing to my channel and then hit on the bell icon to be notified on the latest videos that I upload. So guys, to the new ones who haven't known her yet, she is my daughter Kanika and she is here because she wanted to be on my video. So yes guys, without further delay, let's get started. So before we start with this video, I wanted to just make this note. I'm adding this. This week is October 10th is my birthday. So guys, I have a giveaway for all those subscribers. But well, right now I am not so well enough to give giveaways, but definitely this is a giveaway. When my channel reaches 1000 subscribers, I am going to announce the giveaway. So yes guys, all you need to do to participate in this giveaway is like this video, watch the videos that I upload, subscribe to my channel, hit on the bell icon, and also follow me on Instagram. The Instagram handle is right down on the description box, and then comment down to this video stating followed and participating. So whoever is the lucky winner will be declared on the special video that I would be making when I reach 1000 subscribers, and the lucky winners will be winning a special giveaway. I will be selecting 10 people as the lucky winners. So yes guys, start participating and let's get started with the video. I was just browsing through my Instagram a few days ago, and then I found out an advertisement that told that you can buy mini size products for free. Well, not exactly free. When you sign up to this app called Smitten, it's called Smitten guys. The app is called Smitten. When you log into this app, you get by default you get 6 points, and all the trial products, that is mini size products, are available on the app, and they are for certain points. You get products ranging from 1 point to 6 points. So you can select the product and then you get, they say it is for free, but the shipping charges are applicable, which is 199 rupees. So well, I bought 6 products for I am smart, right? So yes, I bought each product for 1 point. That is, any product that was valued at 1 point, I purchased them. So I got 6 products. Plus at that time there was an offer going on. I guess even now the offer is going on, where when you purchase products you get 1 pouch free. So yes, I got them in this chotu sa box, all of these products, and they were delivered very nicely to me, and it felt like a small gift. If you are someone on a budget and you want to gift someone something, well, you can gift me. My birthday is coming up on 10th of October guys. So yes, it's my birthday week. So if you are someone who wants to gift me or anybody anything, you can just go for this, where it's going to look pretty and cute and nice, and the person would definitely love it. So to start with today's video guys, the first ever product I got was for free, is what I mentioned. Well, they mentioned it is worth 500 rupees because they told purchase for 6 points today and get a pouch worth 499 free. This pouch is definitely not 499 rupees. Look at this guys. This is a pouch where Smitten is written right here. This is what I got free, but it is literally like it doesn't have any strength. Well, I won't complain about the quality. The quality is very good, but what I don't like is there's nothing I don't like, but it's definitely not 499. It's max to max 50 rupees first. And the next product I got for 1 point is this Ozone Herbals jasmine face wash. I just love the scent of jasmine, guys. It feels so refreshing. So I just wanted to try this out. Well, when I saw it on their app, I felt it's quite big package. But anyways, it's like for 200 rupees I got a lot of products. I will show them one by one. So for the products I got, it's definitely a deal. I mean, it's really worth it. So yes, this is the second product. The third product is this. God, I must tell you guys, it was almost a week that I got these products actually. I have used quite a few of them already, and this is actually something I got for my husband. It's called One Eat Fresh or something with Virat Kohli's picture in the front. This is a pocket perfume, and this perfume is bomb, guys. It's amazing. The smell will last you throughout the day. It's so good. So yes, that's the next product. The next product I bought is for my baby, her face cream. It's called the Mummy Pure Natural Care, Pure Care, and it's the baby face cream. This is how the packaging looks. It's so cute, right? It's very cute, very handy, and this is how the bottle is, and it's a very little small quantity, but yet it feels very nice to have it. Well, let me tell you, first I'll finish off showing all the products. The next product, actually its MRP itself is 99 rupees, but I got it for just 1 point, which is the Mama Earth Upton face wash with turmeric and saffron. It's paraben and silicone free, dermatologically tested, suits all skin types. It has 25 ml of the product. With Mama Earth products hyped so much, I just wanted to try this Upton face wash. It has something like a scrubbing particle, guys, which is not at all good for daily use. But yes, I will definitely check this out. The next product that I have here is this hand cream from Aranya Skincare Naturally. So this is how it looks. This also is something I got for just 1 point, which was really good. And the last product I have here, well, the product is already used, guys. The last thing I have here is the Sage Apothecary Tea Tree Handmade Soap was what I got. It was a transparent handmade soap with the product quantity of 30 gram, and the MRP of this product is mentioned. It was for 75 rupees. So literally just this soap and this face wash costed 175 rupees, right? Yeah. So 175 rupees, and this is again for 75 rupees. So that was 250 rupees. That was more than what I paid, definitely. So but I got this literally for free, and it's really good, right? So if you are someone who likes to try out products before using them, then you can just try Smitten. After all, it is like you're getting it for minimal property and minimal amount, I'm sorry. So yes guys, that's all for today. What I wanted to tell you before I ended this is, if you want to make a travel kit like this is definitely what you would want. So yes guys, that's it for today. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like this video, comment on this video, and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. Subscribing to my channel is definitely free. And yes guys, that's it for now. Until my next video, take care. Bye bye. Love you all.